Mr. Xander.
Hi.
Look, we're on Adam's other 93 Coupe DeVille. Gonna do a little wheel swap with the other one that you're doing a water pump. And I said, hey, while we're in here, just do an oil change. So that's what Xander's doing. Real AC Delco filter, real Mobil 1 oil. Because, you know, we do things nice around here. All right. So we got that going for us. Good job, sir. All right, oil change is done. I got the oil change light off. Obviously the trunk light's on because it's a little ajar from getting a little hit. But this one's ready to pick up, Adam.